Hi, in my SwiftUI videos, I normally demonstrate how to do drawing, animation, and layout. In this video, we are taking a look at how to draw this beautiful podcast icon here inside SwiftUI using nothing but the outline of a rectangle, capsule, and a circle. So let's get started. So I have a vertical and a horizontal line at the center of the screen. We are going to use those as reference point. We start by drawing a circle and use the trim modifier to cut part of the circle. We convert the circle to a stroke and set the foreground color. A complete circle has a trim start fraction of 0. By changing the start fraction from 0, we can cut part of the circle. So next, we create a capsule and use the same trim property to cut part of the capsule. The trim start fraction of a full capsule is 0. By changing this value, we can also cut part of the capsule. Next, we convert the capsule to a stroke and rotate it at an angle of 180. And the next, we create a rectangle. Offset the Y coordinate at 20 and set the foreground color. Next, we create another rectangle and rotate it at an angle of 90 and set the foreground color and offset the Y coordinate to 72. Next, we create another capsule and rotate it at an angle of 180 and set the foreground color to blue. And the final thing, we copy this capsule and create another capsule. We convert the capsule to a stroke and set the line width to 10 and leave the foreground color as white. And now, if we scale this up or down, you just noticed the podcast icon looks clean and crisp. So this is how you can draw beautifully in SwiftUI using just basic shapes such as rectangle, circle, and a capsule together with the trim and stroke modifiers. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like the video and thanks for watching.